Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Banggood tool review. This time I'm going to be reviewing lathe tools. Banggood have sent us 3 lathe tools, 2 right hand knife and a left hand knife. They're insert type tools. There's also 3 boxes of inserts in varying degrees of hardness, as well as 3 tool holders that should fit onto my lathe. Before I start the review, I want to make 1 or 2 things perfectly clear. The first thing is Banggood don't make these. Banggood import them from China. The second thing is I'm going to put a link on the description box of the video. If you click on the link, I do get a small commission for each set that's sold. I mean, I wouldn't be able to retire, but it's certainly going to help us make more and better videos. That being said, they will get a fair and honest review. If they're shite, I'll just say so. I'm not going to play with brass and aluminium. I've got some stainless hexi bar, some EN8 steel, some mild steel. I will try brass and aluminium, but I'm really going to give these some stick. I'm not going to try and break them. I just want to make sure that they are up to the job. They're 16mm square shank and one's 20mm square shank, so really they're more for a heavier duty lathe, the sort of lathe I use, than a modelling lathe. Saying that, they do smaller section tools as well. That's enough talking. Let's have a look, see what they've sent us, and then get the lathe fired up and see exactly what they'll do. This is the tooling that Banggood sent us. 3 boxes of tips. The tips are all the same, at least they're all the same size. One thing about them is you can use all 3 edges. You use them 3, turn over and use them 3, so you're getting 6 goes per tip. 3 different types. These are the hard ones for cutting real tough material. We'll find out when we try them. That's the right hand knife tool. As you can see, I've already had a go with it. I've tried it. It's alright. Right, these are the tool holders that fit my tool post. We've sent us 3 tool holders, 1 for each tool. You can't have enough tool holders. They look alright. They're all grown. What can you say about them? What I'll probably do is change out the cap heads. I find that these are of really poor quality. Other than that, it's all being grown. We'll see what the fit the tool post like, but they certainly look alright. Right, these are the other 2 tools they sent us. This should be the left hand knife tool, which it is. Partner of that one. That tool there does most of your turning on the lathe. There's not much you can't do with that. So you get the tool, 2 Allen keys. It's got a base on there that the tool tip sits on. That fits that one, and obviously that fits that one. Right, we'll have a look at the other one. This is a 20mm square one, quite a lot heavier and stiffer, because I do some really heavy turning work at times. That's it there. Slightly different type of clamp arrangement. This is a more conventional type of clamp on there. Once again, we've got 2 Allen keys. Right, and they're hard as well, they're bead hardened, so that's always a good sign. Right, we'll install a tip in this one. Tips empty drops in. You can see how you can use all 3 sides, and then when they're blunt or chipped, you can turn it over, so you get 6 goes for 1 tip, which is really good. That drops in there like that. Right, and that locks in. Nice solid secure lock. See the angle of the tool there, it's got a lot of negative rake on it. Designed for heavy cutting. These are the materials I'm going to try. I've got some aluminium, some brass, some stainless hexi bar, interrupted cut, my favourite AN8, lovely stuff to machine, and a piece of ordinary mild steel bar. I'm going to use the same tip for all the materials, just to see how the one tip fares, and I'm going to use a right hand knife tool for all the turning. It's, as I say, it does 95% of all turning work. I know this tool's on centre height because I have been using it, so we'll try the aluminium first. As you'd expect, there's nothing the matter. This is running 1000 RPM. It is breaking the chips quite nicely, which is often hard to do on aluminium. As you'd expect, it's putting quite a decent finish on. You could take a real heavy cut with this, but it's pointless wasting the aluminium. Right, so the machine's aluminium, no problem at all. We don't need to do any more than that. You can use a tool to put a chamfer on as well. So the one tool will do a lot of operations. We're sliding, facing and chamfering like that. Right, we'll try the brass. As you'd expect, no problem at all. Right, so that's no problem at all. It's pointless wasting the material. I know for a fact it's going to machine brass quite well. This time it's a piece of mild steel bar, nothing spectacular, just ordinary mild steel. One important thing is it's breaking the chips. It's important the chips don't come off in horrible, nasty, stringy lengths. Right, this is a 1mm cut, 1mm per side, with a power feed. And that's pretty effortless. I'll put another 1mm on, which will make it 4mm when it gets up to that shoulder. We're running 1000 RPM here. So that's 1mm per side. That's 2mm per side. So I don't want to try and break this, I just want to 3mm cut. So that's another mil off here. And then a full 3mm cut per side when it hits that shoulder. Right, we'll slow things down a bit. Right, I've turned it around and slowed the feed rate down a bit. We'll try it again with a full 6mm cut, 3mm a side. Taking it off, but it's obviously not ideal. It hasn't damaged the tip in any way, and it's still put a good finish on. I want to speed that feed up just a little bit. That's actually breaking the chips there, but you wouldn't normally be taking that sort of material off. You still wouldn't. Right, this is the AN8, we'll give that a try and see what bit with this. It's a nice steel machine here, N8. Touch it off, put a 1mm cut on. That's nice, that's breaking them tips lovely, giving a lovely finish on it. Two mil cut this time, at least into that millimetre. Your 2mm when it hits that shoulder. That's nice, but like I say, N8 is probably my favourite material of the machine. Right, next we'll have the stainless. I don't know what grade it is, but it is stainless. Keep the revs at 1000, the same as all the other examples. Touch this off, 1mm cut, just the same as all the other stuff, 1mm per side. That's good, breaking the chip nicely as well, which is something hard to do on stainless. I'll give it another mil, this is 2mm per side. It will be when it gets up to the shoulder. Right, that's enough. I don't want to waste any more of that piece of bar. Right, now the stainless for the interrupted cut. This is nasty stuff to machine. Apart from being hexagonal, it's got various holes and things in it. I've used this to torture quite a few different Banggood tools on. Obviously it's going to face it alright. I'm going to leave it at 1000 RPM and try the interrupted facing cut. Just touch it off. Once again a 1mm cut, straight in with it. If anything's going to destroy the tool, it'll be this. Right, that's round now, and that's all with the same tip. The tip is unmarked. Right, I hope you can see that tip there, it's absolutely unmarked. Not like my thumb, which I've caught, but that tip is the same tip I've used, the same corner I've used for all the different materials. It's absolutely unmarked. Now for the big question, would I buy these inserts, tools and tool holders? Absolutely. For the sort of work I do, they're absolutely perfect. When you think of the cost of one branded insert compared to a pack of 10 inserts, it really is, it's a no-brainer. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.